करेक्ट
दीदी से अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, अभी बात हुई है मेरी उनसे।
नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू। ईस्ट दिल्ली स्टडी सर्कल के इस वेबिनार में आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, वी आर वेरी डिलाइटेड और बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि नाउ वी हैव 3 ex चेयरमैन ऑफ रीजनल काउंसिल्स आर देयर इन आवर पैनल। एक तो हमारे सी दुंगरचंद यू जैन जी हैं, वेलकम सर। सर इज एक्स चेयरमैन ऑफ चेयरमैन ऑफ SIRC। तो एक्स चेयरमैन ऑफ SIRC। Now we have our one of the most young, dynamic ex-chairman of NIRC, Sasank ji. Welcome, Sasank.
धन्यवाद सर।
Very soon, our mentor, our guide, our founder convener, CA Durgadas Agrawal ji will join. There is some technical issue, so very soon he'll be with us. So friends, बड़ा ही सोच के इस टॉपिक को रखा गया है। Things, the way things are moving, काफी लोग तो ऑफिस उन्होंने ज्वाइन कर लिया है, बट स्टिल वी हैव, हम न्यूज में आते रहते हैं कि भाई कुछ चीजें बढ़ रही है, कुछ कम हो रही है, एंड स्टिल वी बहुत सारे आपके क्लाइंट भी ऐसे होंगे जो दे आर स्टिल नॉट कमिंग इनटू द ऑफिसेज, राइट? एंड ऑफिसेज भी आ रहे हैं तो इट्स ऑन रोटेशन बेसिस और सम अदर बेसिस। इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कंप्लाई विथ एवरीथिंग। जैसे हमारे पास जो ऑडिट के काम होते हैं, टैक्स के कंप्लाइंसेस होते हैं, अदर थिंग्स। नाउ नॉर्मल सिचुएशन नहीं है, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट व्हाट आई बिलीव माई सेल्फ, इट्स माई पर्सनल व्यू कि आने वाले साल 2 साल भी नॉर्मल सिचुएशन नहीं रहेगी, बिकॉज व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू हैव इन प्री कोविड एरा, तो अभी थोड़ा हमें टाइम लगेगा, वक्त लगेगा, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी आर वेरी ब्लेस्ड विद द टेक्नोलॉजी वी हैव। हम जो सोचते थे कि भाई हम लोगों से इंटरेक्ट कैसे करें, लोगों को इनवाइट कैसे करें, इवन हमें कई बार लगता था कि भाई वो टाइम पे शुरू नहीं हो रही, बहुत सारे इश्यूज थे। तो दिस टेक्नोलॉजी एरा एंड खासकर ये कोविड ने हमें कई सारे फायदे भी पहुंचाए हैं। उसका एक फायदा है कि सर जैसे चेन्नई से आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, अदरवाइज इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर सर टू इनवाइट करना, प्रोग्राम फिक्स करना। देन आजकल आप ओवर थ्रू इंटरनेट, थ्रू अदर मीडियाज आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, प्रोग्राम भी आप टाइम पे शुरू करते हो। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ दोस प्रोग्राम, जिसको आप कभी भी एज एंड व्हेन जब रिक्वायर होती है आप उसको रेफर भी कर सकते हो। तो कई सारे बेनिफिट्स भी हैं। इन द सेम वे हमें ये भी हम आपस में जब डिस्कशन कर रहे थे प्रोग्राम बनाने का, वेलकम सर। सर अनम्यूट कीजिए प्लीज। वेलकम सर।
थैंक यू ऑल।
तो आई वाज टेलिंग कि वी आर फॉर्चुनेट इनफ कि आज हमारे बीच 3 एक्स चेयरमैन है रीजनल काउंसिल के, है ना? तो बड़ा अच्छा है आज का दिन हमारे लिए। और जैसा मैं बता रहा था कि अब जो टाइम है, तो हमारे को चाहे ऑडिट हो चाहे बाकी चीजें हो, हमारे को बहुत सारी चीजें रिमोट हैंडल करना पड़ेगा। मे बी आप 10 दिन की ऑडिट प्रोग्राम होगी तो आप 2 दिन जाओगे, बाकी 8 दिन तो आपको करना पड़ेगा। एंड आई थिंक दैट विल बी अ गुड आइडिया। वो अच्छा भी रहेगा, बिकॉज हेल्थ इज द प्रायोरिटी। हेल्थ रहेगी, आप सेफ रहेंगे तो आप पूरी उम्र काम करेंगे। तो इन्हीं सब चीजों को लेके जब डिस्कशन चली तो वी कम टू नो दैट वी हैव अ वेरी मतलब यंग, डायनामिक और ब्राइट स्पीकर विथ अस, जो कि रीजनल काउंसिल के चेयरमैन भी रह चुके हैं। शशांक जी ने हमें बताया कि नहीं जी वो रह चुके हैं और बहुत बढ़िया रहेगा, उनसे बढ़िया तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता। तो ये स्टेट मतलब हमने तुरंत बोला कि सर बुक कर लो आप उनको, है ना? सर से रिक्वेस्ट करो कि वो जल्दी से जल्दी आए और हम वेबिनार करें इस चीज पे, सो दैट कि जितने ज्यादा से ज्यादा मेंबर्स हमारे बेनिफिटेड हो जाएं, उससे हम सबके लिए अच्छा है। तो अब प्रोग्राम को हम आगे बढ़ाते हैं। तो रिक्वेस्ट आवर फाउंडर कन्वीनर सी दुर्गादास अग्रवाल जी टू प्रोग्राम की विधिवत शुरुआत कराएं। सर ओवर टू यू सर।
Thank you, Sandeep Sharma ji. The very dynamic convener of our STD circle. आपने सही बोला. आज जो है ना एक पिक्चर आई थी नॉर्थ एंड साउथ, उत्तर एंड दक्षिण. आलिया भट्ट साउथ से थी और अर्जुन कपूर नॉर्थ से था. तो देखो वही मुस्कुराहट, वही चीजें हमारे डूंगर संजी में नजर आ रही हैं. तो रिमोटेडली देखो हम एक तो मतलब जैसे होता है ना कि ये आज का टॉपिक यही है कि हम कैसे रिमोटेडली क्या टूल्स इस्तेमाल करें जो कि हम एफिशिएंटली और क्लियरली ऑडिट कर सकें.
करेक्ट.
तो वही चीज आज डूंगर जी बताएंगे. और जितना मैंने सुना इनके बारे में, ये टेक से भी अच्छे से हैं और आप इनकी लाइब्रेरी पीछे देख ही रहे हैं. तो मैं समझता हूँ आज का सेमिनार बड़ा शानदार रहेगा. और ये क्योंकि दिस इज हाई टाइम, अभी अगस्त चल रहा है और सितंबर तक ऑलमोस्ट हमें सारे ऑडिट्स क्लोज करने हैं.
करेक्ट.
चाहे छोटे हों चाहे बड़े हों रफली. तो दिस इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर टाइम जो हमने आज ये चैप्टर रखा. और इसके लिए मैं श्रेय देता हूँ संदीप को. संदीप का ये इच्छा थी कि कोई ऐसा हमें स्पीकर मिले और उसके लिए शशांक ने हमको इंट्रोड्यूस किया, याद आई डूंगर चंद जी की. तो बहुत बहुत वेलकम डूंगर जी आपका. और आपकी वर्किंग मैंने देखी है 2021 के दौरान एज ए चेयरमैन, वंडरफुल. और मैं तो आपसे बात भी कर रहा था सुबह कि भाई आप तो सेंट्रल काउंसिल मटेरियल हैं, तो क्यों आप खुद को डिच कर रहे हो. आप जैसे लोगों को आना चाहिए सेंट्रल काउंसिल में. एनीवे, ये आपकी प्लानिंग है, आपको देखना है. तो आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत. मैं अपने पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो हमारे मेंबर्स हैं उनकी तरफ से आपका स्वागत करता हूँ बहुत बहुत. और बस और कुछ ज्यादा इंट्रोडक्शन मुझे नहीं पता, तो इसके लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा शशांक अग्रवाल जो पास्ट चेयरमैन है NIRC के, वो डूंगर जी के बारे में थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करें, हम सब लोगों को बताएं. ओवर टू शशांक.
नमस्कार, वड़क्कम, Dungar ji, Jai Shri Krishna to all members. First of all, thank you Sandeep ji for giving this topic among members, because what I personally believe, without understanding the technology of getting a basic understanding of doing the remote audits, to give and take the access of the computers, to do the filings through the computers, because like everything is very connected now. And you all should be not surprised as much कि South India is actually doing wonders. डूंगर जी को बुलाने के दो कारण हैं. Although he is Marwadi from Rajasthan, but he belongs to South India. मैं प्रोफाइल भी साथ साथ में ही आपका जोड़ता रहूँगा डूंगर सर. So the main fact is Indian accounting, Indian audit, as well as global accounting and global audit, ये सब कुछ इंडिया से ही हो रहा है. जहाँ पे कॉस्टिंग कम है वहां से काम होता है, ये तो सबको ही पता है. ऐसा कोई इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है. आज मेरी एज वाले प्रैक्टिशनर्स चाहे सीनियर प्रैक्टिशनर्स, दोनों ही एक चीज को फेस कर रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी. और ये टेक्नोलॉजी किसी के लिए तो वरदान है, बट किसी के लिए एक ये पूरी प्रैक्टिस खत्म कर सकती है, ऐसी एक मोमेंट भी क्रिएट कर देती है. तो हमें बड़े ध्यान से चीजों को समझना है. और आई हैव सीन द प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डूंगर सर एज वेल. ही हैज एक्चुअली कवर्ड मेनी थिंग्स in a very just manner so that people can understand it easily. And I believe he has created some things which is for relevant for the every age professional. कि जो सीनियर है उसको भी कितना और कैसे करना है वो भी वो मेंशन कर रहे हैं. कितना यंग के लिए जरूरी है, क्योंकि यंग को तो देखिए सब सीखना है. He has to be at every point understand each and every corner, और उसको हर सीनियर्स को भी सपोर्ट करना है. और हम सबको मिलकर ही प्रैक्टिसेस बढ़ानी है, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस छोड़ के कुछ और करना, मेरे को लगता है बहुतों के पास ना ऐसा कोई मन है. और हमें मैंडेटरली ये काम करना है. बस उसको हम एफिशिएंट और इफेक्टिव कैसे बना सकते हैं, आई बिलीव टुडे इज द स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर दिस थिंग. क्योंकि ऑडिट इज लाइक ओनली ऑडिट इज नॉट द फंक्शन ऑफ द चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. ऑडिट से रिलेटेड कि आप डॉक्यूमेंट कैसे कलेक्ट करोगे, हाउ विल यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू द क्लाइंट, ये बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. आप इंटरनली कैसे डॉक्यूमेंट सर्कुलेट करोगे अमंग योर एम्प्लॉइज. अब आपका एम्प्लॉय छुट्टी मार के कहता है मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ, तो हाउ विल यू एक्चुअली कम्युनिकेट विद देम. क्योंकि काम करने की डेडलाइंस बड़ी कंस्ट्रक्टेड हैं. We cannot change that. Ultimately, we have to work hard. We have to be efficient and effective in whatever we are doing. So thank you Sandeep ji again कि मैं बहुत दिनों बाद प्लेटफॉर्म पे आया हूँ. And this topic is also very close to me because it is talking about the technology which is helping the practitioners. And Dunga sir is a actually masterpiece who understand the problems of the practitioners, either because he sitting in Madurai. So first of all, my dear members from the study circle, that Madurai is actually near to you now. You anybody can go to Madurai and just have a word with Dunga sir, and I believe you will have a great visit there because Dunga ji is there. And thank you so much to everyone. I'll definitely sit in this session for complete 2 hours and understand as many things with Dunga sir. So thank you once again. And Dunga ji ka profile we have. So for the purpose to give the understanding, better understanding to all the members, I'll just read it out on behalf of East Delhi Study Circle. And
Shashank, make it very short, please.
but sir, you have shared a very long one.
No, I'll make it a point next time to have a condensed one also.
Okay, sure. So Dunga ji is a immediate past chairman of Southern India Regional Council, and we are very fortunate to work together in the COVID pandemic. And really, we have actually the first or 2 seminars we have done together and created this Zoom technology or StreamYard technology together, that yes, we are doing something differently and trying to collaborate all the regions together for first time in history. So thank you again, Dunga sir, for making this happen. And I was very like थोड़ा सा डरा हुआ था, but आपने एक चीजों को कहते हैं ना एज अ लीडर साथ लेके करा और बहुत मजा आया आपके साथ उस चीज में. Another thing, he has served Madurai branch of SIRC as a like since 2010 to 2016. So इन्होंने अपने 12 साल कहीं ना कहीं पूरे हमारे ICI प्रोफेशन को दिए हैं और आज भी कंटिन्यूसली दे रहे हैं in form of as a speaker. Apart from that, I believe his knowledge actually will taught us more because he has a good profile with us. I will share along with their presentation, so you all the members can have a look at his profile also. So with all these words, we welcome Dunga sir in the session. And before starting, I request Sandeep ji if you want to say anything so that we can start. Sandeep ji.
Thank you so much, Shashank. Thanks a lot. बहुत ही अच्छी शुरुआत हो गई है, तो straight away I would like to request Dungar ji, please start your deliberation because मेरे हिसाब से आप जो बोलेंगे हमें सुनने के लिए टाइम कम पड़ने वाला है. I believe so. Over to you, sir. Please start.
Respected Durga Das ji, CA Sandeep ji, CA Shashank. In fact, I'll start from where Durga Das ji left, that we are today divided by geographical boundaries, but we are connected by heart actually. That matters a lot. Thanks to this pandemic, जैसे संदीप जी ने बताया कि it has taught us a lot of things. It has brought a lot of people together. I never remember any point of time, because I've seen in the past that 5 region chairmen came that close to each other actually. So it was for the first time it happened, and I will only thank pandemic. Pandemic, with all difficulties and challenges it gave a lot of benefits as well to us, including technology, what Shashank spoke about. I'm only reminded of a nice quote by Lenin, who said that in decades nothing happened and in weeks decade happened. वो जो difficulty आई उसमें हमको ऐसा gear up करना पड़ा और हम खरे उतर आए उस पे. Probably the best example was bank audit. We were able to do that last year, bank audit with 1 day visit or probably 2 days visit, and we were able to do things sitting in some other branch, get the documents through offline mode and do it. So if where we can do things in that scattered way, if we can organize ourselves by using small tools and make it very useful, probably things will be easier. मुझे आज भी याद है जब client से कुछ मिलना था तो we used to either call the client at our office or we go to the client's place to meet. Today, literally it's happening that clients are comfortable over a Zoom meeting or over a WhatsApp call. I do recall all the 5 region chairmen, we used to connect through WhatsApp call every 15 days once so that we could discuss the common things. And whatever I gained in my region, it was not restricted to my region. It got spread to other regions. Same way, whatever Shashank could do better in his region, we took benefit of it. So like I always believe that the knowledge, when you share, it actually doubles actually. We got that benefit due to the extensive use of technology. And probably the day is not far where things will happen through WhatsApp. I still remember a lot of things gets exchanged through WhatsApp. Still, it is not organized. We are not able to have a trail. But I think if you put proper APIs or proper technology in place, even those things are possible. So it is for you to look to the need as to what you need and then how you take care of it. Shashank, I'll share some templates also with you later. Like we have to get a DAC authorization. Those all things will help in an audit. Of course, it has nothing to do with remote audit, but we must develop some way where we try to have proper documentation. Because I've seen when we do audits, when we compare with Big Four, I'm not demeaning anybody, but we do an excellent and equivalently good job when we compare to the bigger audit firms. But when it comes to documentation, we have nothing. Sir, ये आपने किया है, कहाँ पे note किया हुआ है? Sir, वो note करना miss कर दिए. So it is very, very important that whatever you do, you please note it down. I also recall in one of the meetings, Nilesh Vikramse sir said that whenever you are giving a bill, please list down the things what you have did for them. Don't say GST audit. GST audit में जो आप 5 या 10 पैरामीटर आप चेक करते हो आपके बिल पे डालिए. Then the client will appreciate कि what kind of work has gone into it. Because many a time client think अरे सर आपने तो not applicable डाला है, इसके लिए क्या इतना फीस है? अरे to know that it is not applicable, you have to run through a lot of things to know. So it is important for you to see that you take care of that also, apart from doing the audit. And second thing, work smartly. Hard work काम नहीं आने वाला आज की टाइम पे. Hard work करते रहेंगे तो करते ही रहेंगे and we'll be spending more time. So it is upon us to see that we are able to use it very effectively. And उसके लिए I will share my experiences. And that I am not going to tell you anything new, but within those areas where I have gone a little deeper, I will share my experiences. And probably I always tell in all these sessions, it is in these sessions I learn back from the audience. So I'm very sure that with the interaction with all of you, we will learn 2 or 3 more new things from my side actually. So can I get course right so that I can share the screen?
Yeah. So you have, sir.
I have it.
Yeah.
So as me and Shashank had a discussion on this topic, per se, I don't have to tell you how to conduct an audit. You know how to conduct an audit, what are the parameters to look into depending on the kind of audit, be it statutory audit, be it tax audit or be it internal audit. But कैसे छोटी-छोटी चीजों को technology को use करके you can improvise things. Before we get into this subject per se, I would like to even tell for the sake attendance what we do in office. I used to remember we had a finger recognition attendance machine, but due to COVID that was not possible. So we immediately implemented one app which actually takes attendance giving the location. So the person has to come into the office, he can click his photograph which will give the location also. So even if he's doing an outside audit, he can very well take that photograph and that gets recorded. So it is very easy to track your attendance, and mind you, it does not come with a heavy price. Probably the app which I'm talking about, they charge around ₹30 per employee per year. So there is nothing actually. So you pay some 5,000, 6,000 rupees for your 10-20 employees. You can actually automate a lot of things in your office. And when I say audit does not mean just the audit itself, but things revolving around that. That will indirectly help you to maintain a lot of information about the person. Second, okay, sir, they have started coming to office, but I don't know what they are doing. एक client के लिए कितना काम हो रहा है, I don't know. Ensure that you have some reporting mechanism on a daily basis from the articles and staff so that you can monitor their work as well as you can know how much of time is being spent on the one of the audits actually. You don't have to maintain very strict time measure, but आप year day end में उसको बोल सकते हो आज किस केस का कितने hours काम किए हो. majority, they don't have to write about that half an hour, 1 hour thing, but at least majority they write, it can help you to know how much time you are spending. So uske liye, do I have to use a software or anything? No. There are a lot of free tools available and simple tools available, which I will cover in my presentation. More of a free utilities, which if you use it very effectively, probably मैं इतना ही बोलूँगा कि आपकी सोच जितनी जा सकते है उतना टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज कर सकते हो. Probably immediate thing will be for you to see that how much of technology you want to use and inbuilt things actually. That will definitely help you to take care of things. So few disclaimers. जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर्स के या एप्स के जो भी नाम ले रहा हूं मैं, these are only suggestive. There can be a lot of better apps. I'm only telling what I have used and I have gained actually. So I have no interest in any of the applications or software which I'm using, and all the views are mine. Since I represent SARC, still those views need not represent our institute views. And very importantly, I told I'm not an expert. Only thing is I'm trying to explore a little more. So I'm trying to give a presentation before you. And very importantly, please, whatever questions you have, please dal dijiye. They say there is no such thing as a stupid question. If you ask a question, it may look that you are stupid for some time, but if you don't ask, it may look like a stupid for life. So ensure that whatever is there, you please ask as we go ahead with the presentation. I don't mind whatever comes. I will try to take it up as and when you ask actually. So this picture speaks all. Where we started with bigger floppy drives to smaller floppy drives, today things have come to pen drive. We used to start with making signatures. Today it has come to digital signature tokens. Or I remember a Supreme Court judgment on Aadhaar. They said we started with a thumb and today we are ending with a thumb because for Aadhaar we are using the thumb impression actually. So things have evolved, and a lot of things it looks like we are going to the same whole thing but in a different way, because technology has helped us to do a lot of things with ease. The iris scanner or the finger scanner or the apps which takes a photograph and recognizes. Today things have changed a lot, and probably आज 10 साल पहले जो कर रहे थे, that is not applicable today. Same thing what you are doing today will not be relevant if you are going to do the same thing for the next 10 years. You will have to change, you will have to adopt, you will have to evolve actually. So you can see how much of things computers or smartphones replaced. Where you wanted to have a networking, you wanted to have a library, shop, you wanted to meet a doctor, you wanted to have a live map, camera, all these services which you are seeing today have just got merged into one small thing, which is the computer, or the enhanced version of computer, let me call it actually the smartphone. Without smartphone, probably we may think we are not smart, because ye wali halat ho gayi hai ki we cannot even kind of breathe without technology today. So these are some of the key issues which you must address. Spare some time. Of course, I will not get into this, the theory part, because there are a lot of practical things which I wanted to cover. So as Shashank said, we'll be sharing the presentation with you, and you can very well go through it and see that you read those smaller things where you know where you stand and where you have to take it forward actually. And when I say this of these key strategy issues, our institute has come up with a wonderful material on DCMM 2.0. Kindly download that material and go through and see how much of technology friendly you are. One, and institute has also put that in the digital learning hub. आपको अंदर जाना है, parameters fill करना है. You will actually get an implementation guide as to what all, where all you are lacking and what you have to do. So I will urge everybody who are listening to today's session, please go to DCMM 2.0 and make use of it. The links I've already shared in this PPT. The PPT which I will be sharing with the organizers actually has the links. You don't have to note down anything actually. So some basic things, how we kind of run our offices, where we have a desktop or server, we have a LAN or a Wi-Fi through which systems get connected, a scanner and printer where we need to take printouts, and then the tools which we use, and the commonly used tools are being Excel, Word, and the tax software. Of course, Excel is a wonderful tool, which I keep telling that jitna we use karo utna kam hai. The templates which I told I'll be sharing actually is in Excel, where you just have to fill the basic parameters and your engagement letter, appointment letter, or the DSC authorization actually can get ready. And then very importantly, how to use these remote tools to see that all the other resources are made effective use of. So the challenges what we face when we are going tech, one, we need to have the access to licensed software where there is a limitation or there is nil. Second, we need to trace the tasks which people are doing. There may be offline data. Today, when I sit in my office, when I work from home, all my data is in office. I'm not getting access to that. How can I make it in such a way that I'm able to get the data accessible for me at any point of time? And lastly, and importantly, how do I communicate with my staff and clients? Of course, today I'm very sure the easiest way of communicating to our staff and clients is using WhatsApp. Very comfortable. Yes, we have to do it. But again, having said that, where you want to document things, record things, kindly use the alternative methods apart from WhatsApp so that you don't miss out. And tomorrow, whether it is peer review or institute or any other regulatory body asking, कि भाई ये document है for me to prove what I've actually did. So why go high tech? Yes, there is an increased output. You can track and schedule a lot of things. You will have things in a very structured way. I always tell that if a client comes and asks you something, if you want to give it to him, whatever data you want to give, if you cannot give it to him in 5 to 10 minutes, it is time you please change the way you are maintaining your data. You must be able to retrieve anything within 5 to 10 minutes. या तो file number से information निकाल दो या कोई ऐसा parameter commonly रखो where you put that in your search and you are able to retrieve that file. If you are not doing that, friends, let me tell you, having a file stored in your office backup is of no use. Because today we are living in, I will say, a digital era where a lot of information and files are there. It might not be possible for you to retrieve things with ease. I remember I went for a plan. I said, let me take all the backup on my hard disk and put it to the cloud, the old data. I was surprised that the data which I had actually was more than 2 TB. Now, what I realized was a lot of junk is also kept as part of the data. Please don't let that happen. See that there is a timely removal of not necessary data so that the retrieval becomes easy, and very importantly, have a structured way of pulling out the information. The last two, which I've already told you, is how to share information between the clients, staff, and the other stakeholders. And very importantly, when we go tech, we are able to have an improved time management because we are able to do a lot of things better. So if you have to ask me, sir, कौन सी चीज बहुत important है, whether it is mindset, skill set, or tool set, probably you will know the answer better. Can I get some answers in the chat box? कि इन तीनों में कौन सी चीज important है?
So तीनों ही लग रही है वैसे तो।
नहीं, तीनों चाहिए, but which is more important? वो बोलते हैं ना कि कोई एक चीज आ जाती है तो पीछे पीछे बाकी चीजें आ जाती है. If I got one answer which is the right answer, which I have put as the first option, अगर आपका mindset है, आपका interest है, फिर बाकी चीज अपने आप आएगी सर. You don't have to even take steps to see what you need to get the skill set or the tool set what you need. The most important thing is the mindset. And one more important thing which I've seen, where technologies fail. The problem with any implementation of technology is the moment there is no reviewing and monitoring, that technology will fail. I have asked people telling, sir, office management software kaun sa badhiya hai? I will tell koi sa bhi le lo. Unless you monitor and review that office management software or daily feed the data and take the report and do with things, it is not going to be of any help at all. Yes, after you have did that, you may feel, nahi, ye software mujhe kaam nahi aa raha because it is not giving me the reports the way I wanted. I did use some tools, and later I found that for certain things, it is better we use simpler tools like Google Sheet or Google Forms, which I'll be covering in today's session actually. And very importantly, when you are dealing with a lot of clients' data, please take care of that very importantly, because we could see a lot of ransomware getting attacked very easily. Sir, isko kaise prevent kiya jaye? Let me tell you, friends, prevention is very difficult because ransomware I have seen generally comes in the form of an email where somebody accidentally in your office clicks. The moment it clicks, it runs a small program and resides in your system. Then what it does, it monitors and starts giving the information to the hacker, and then he's able to take control of your system. So the only way if you want to overcome the ransomware is backup. If you are not having backup, let me tell you friends, you will end up paying huge money to these ransomware people who actually may or may not be helpful. They may take the money in some form and not give you the access to the data which has which has been locked by them. So please be careful of those things, and very importantly, have timely backup. I have seen all those places where these kind of things have come. The backups have helped them to come out very successfully. And other precautions before we get into the subject per se, please have a proper password management. We have seen a lot of things going wrong when there are very weak passwords kept. And as far as possible, try to use licensed software. I remember it was very expensive before 5 years, 6 years, but today things have come under very reasonable prices. So you don't have to go for the pirated softwares and get caught with no updation or data not being available for you whenever it is needed. Kindly take care of that by using the licensed software. Take care of the cyber threats by putting proper antivirus, proper anti-ransomware. And lastly, very important, there is a personal data protection bill which is in place. Mind you, you are using client's data. If anything happens to your system and the client's data is getting leaked, the client can also put you into trouble. Sir, aapke karan mera data leak hua hai. So we are also indirectly custodians of our client's data, which we have to protect to see that he is not put into any trouble later. So ye sari cheezein we have to be very careful about, so that we don't get caught ourselves in a wrong situation actually. So my session I've divided into 7 parts, where I'm going to cover the document management tools, the communication tools, which is the easiest one because I don't have to tell you, you all have got into the next level, the office management tools, online and offline computing, other productivity tools, the remote access tools, and other small tools which can help you to increase the productivity. So the simplest thing to go remote, where all the data otherwise will reside in one of the systems in office or one of the server in office, is to use these tools. Either use OneDrive or use Dropbox or use Google Drive or use Zoho Workspace. Now they have given some space which is reasonably enough for maybe 1 year of workings. No, sir, I feel this much of data is not good for my kind of office. You can always go for the enhancement, and the enhancement costs are very reasonable. To give a small example, I have subscribed to this MS365, Microsoft 365, which gives me 1 TB of OneDrive data. All my data of my office is actually today in OneDrive. My staff works on OneDrive, where I've given user access rights. They will only get access to that folder which they want, and then they're able to access data. This tools which I'm telling basically is a place where your data resides. Sir, mujhe kaam karna hai. How do I do that? Now, if I were to use this in a very raw form, मुझे वो फाइल डाउनलोड करनी है, उसको यूज करना है, फिर वापस अपलोड करना है. So that is little bit complicated, क्योंकि मेरे को डेटा डाउनलोड करना है और मैंने गलती से अगर वापस वो फाइल अपलोड नहीं की, तो I may lose that data also or the information. So इसका भी एक रास्ता है where you can actually ensure that the OneDrive is loaded in your system and the folder resides locally. उस फोल्डर को आप लोकल फोल्डर में डाल सकते हो. तो क्या होगा, जैसे आपने कोई एक्सेल फाइल खोली, उसमें वर्किंग्स की और सेव कर दिया, the next moment if your internet is on, the data will get updated in the cloud actually. So by this what happens, you don't have to have your regular data in the cloud actually, in the office server. You can actually go online and have it in the document management tools, being OneDrive, Dropbox or Google Drive. That is a way where you can, through the login passwords, you can do it. Sir, should I have to share my login password to them? No, you don't have to do that. If I were to share one of the folder to Shashank, I will just have to tell Shashank's mail ID, telling that any person who gets an access with this mail ID will be able to edit the folder or not. So by doing that, you can have proper user rights for all the people that will help you to use these tools for you to get all the data resided in one place actually. And what are the advantages? One, it has got anywhere access. The storage of data is in cloud and you get anywhere access. Second, by giving user rights, I am telling किस employee को किस folder का access देना है. Because in server, I have seen people that a staff or an employee gets rights to all the data, which can be detrimental. So here it is very much possible that you can restrict by this person will get access to this. People who are on the top side, maybe managers, they can get access to all the files actually. And on any other day where the data would have resided in one or more systems, it get resided in one place so that it is easy for you to retrieve the information also. So by that what happens, there is no backup required. आपको additional एक backup लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. But my suggestion and request will be, still there can be some deletion of files. If you want to play safe, you can always at one point of time, maybe a monthly or a bi-monthly, try to download all the data and put it in a hard disk to see that you have an access to that data on your own also. And what kind of data you can keep? Probably anything which you keep in your server. It can be your audit data, it can be your firm's data, it can be anything. Probably I remember when our firm had a peer review. We have offices in Madurai, Cochin, Chennai. What we did was we opened OneDrive, we put one folder, we put respective branches. So I don't have to literally kind of send them a mail and tell that no, I'm sending a mail, please access this data. No, I didn't do that. I just had to put that particular files, whichever is required for the auditor to do the audit, to put in the folder and send him the link. And one link was already shared. At any point of time, he clicks that link, he will get the access of those files. And what we did, we made it a read-only access. He can read the file, he cannot edit that. So this is very much possible by using one of the tools mentioned so that all the data can reside in one place and life becomes very, very easier for us. And as I told you how exactly it works, it gets stored, you want to download and then store it back is one way of doing it. No, you can have it actually synced with the local folder. आप एक folder रख के उसमें जो भी edit करोगे और OneDrive से sync कर देते हो. So what happens? Whatever editing you do, it actually gets replicated to everybody who is using this utility actually. Second communication tools, which is the easiest of the all, the one which we are using, Zoom. People who want to go try out different things because of their need, they can try out Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Skype, Zoho Click. In fact, there are so many. GoToMeetings, GoToWebinar, Cisco WebEx, BlueJeans. Everything has a benefit and drawback, but the most widely used is, we all know, it's Zoom because it is very, very user friendly and takes lesser load for you to connect. And now the Zoom meetings, we just remember last year we did it for the institute for all the programs. Today we are using in our firms to do training programs. I remember the training programs which we used to do in our offices, it used to be branch wise. Madurai office will do separately with 10-20 people. Chennai office will do separately. My Pondicherry office will do separately. My Kochi office will do separately. Today, thanks to this technology, we are able to call one speaker or one of the partners become the speaker. They kind of take the session for everybody. So at one go, we are able to train 50-100 people. People of your sort, maybe I will suggest 10 firms can join together so that one partner can know what is there and then share his knowledge. I'll give you the simplest example for a tax audit. At tax audit, I may feel, jo main kar raha hu, sahi kar raha hu. But Shashank, if I sit with him and discuss, he may come up with 3-4 new ideas, which I'm not knowing, which I'm missing, or there is a better way to do. So if you can kind of interact with other officers and have sessions among yourself, among your staff, it will help you do the audit very well. One more thing, when we compare the bigger firms and the smaller firms, is the bigger firms spend quality time on training. For us, because we have small numbers, हम सोचते हैं अरे ऐसे ही manage हो जाएगा. People will be able to manage or learn with some senior staff guiding them. Please don't do that. Ensure that you put proper training for them. In fact, I always tell, whenever we expect things from articles and they don't respond back properly, the problem is not that the articles has not understood. The problem is we have not trained them better actually. I always tell that we tell them half and expect double from the articles or the staff. So it is very important that you please ensure that you give a reasonable time of training, especially for the new people. And it helps you. And one more thing which we have put in our office, which you all can replicate, we have an error log actually. If I commit an error, I will create a log कि ये गलती मैंने की है ताकि आप उसको नहीं दोहराओ. And then everybody in the office signs that. This was the old thing. Today we have put that in a Google Sheet. I put that in Google Sheet and everybody has to add their names by logging in. So what happens, we know that this is the information which anybody doesn't have to commit it again, but can learn from one's mistake and then take care of it. So likewise, ensure that there are proper communications happening between you and your staff so that the audit quality is not hampered. So coming to the office management tools, there are plenty. Like you have the one which I have known due to institutes tie-up is Jamku, Papilio, Caudal, Zoho Remotely, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and lot many tools. Probably I'm giving you the link of this office management tools is cmpbenefits.icaa.org. In fact, our institute is having a tie-up with lot of softwares here. I will suggest you can pick whichever suits you. That will help you to see that you get more organized so that the audit or the maintenance of cases happening or not happening or pending will be easier for you actually. So institute has come up with tie-up with lot of companies where it can be effectively used. Probably if possible, I will take you to this site actually. Are you able to see the web page? Can somebody just confirm that you are able to see the?
No, Dungaji.
No.
We can just see the link of CMP benefit.
I will share it again. One second. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah. So here you can see, in fact, apart from the tools, there are some other insurance policies and products which was also there, and lot of softwares there is a tie-up. So I will, people who are kind of wanting to explore things, you can pick the one you want. Probably 3-4 people can join together so that you don't waste time in installing every software. One of you can do one and then pick which one suits you actually. So this also can be taken, and there is one nice material which came from the institute is the how to set up a virtual office. I have shared that link also in the presentation, which also can be used by you. So you can go to this site, probably if you want, I will share the link also to you. Just give me a moment right away so that I know you'll be knowing it, but still for those who are not explored, they can take benefit of this. So is the PPT visible? Can somebody please confirm?
Yes, sir. Yes, okay.
Fine. So now going to the next level. No, sir, I'm not comfortable with things by using these tools. I have office where there are number of people or number of branches. What is the next level I can go is going for the online computing. How do you use that? This is nothing but where you get anywhere access. Instead of getting data where it stores in one of the places, you can actually go for a own server online. And the tools, the bigger cloud service providers are IBM, Google, Amazon, Microsoft Azure, and Rockspace. In fact, you can choose, but I've heard one thing that people go into it, but then later they see that the cost keep on getting increased because the need gets increased. So my suggestion will be to please take a calculated decision before you go, because there are advantages and a lot of disadvantages also. But then in the longer term, where people want to create your own server or you want to spend on your own infrastructure, please make a comparison with this, because we have seen that this is more efficient, more cheaper. because there are a lot of things which are automated for you. There is a firewalls available for you ready-made. There are people who will do backups. There is nothing that can go wrong. But one thing, everything comes with a small price tag actually. So this cloud computing, you can do wonders. And very, very importantly, where you are buying licenses, you don't have to buy multiple licenses. Just one license for one system and everybody is able to access free of charge. So the advantages are listed, the lesser capital cost. You don't require UPS because all the data are in the cloud. You have security of the data, you can work from anywhere. And as I told you in the older tools, you can have the user controls also as to what kind of files or folders one person will have access of. So it is depending on you that if you want to use cloud computing. In fact, I know few CA firms who have tried out this Microsoft Azure and Amazon actually. They are using that where there is literally no server. Wherever people are there, they can log in through the server and start working on it, and everything gets resided in one particular place actually. So if you have to ask the details about it, the cost per month may range as low as 6,000 to 10,000 and can increase depending on the more number of users. And the rate which I'm telling is for average 20 users with 7 GB RAM, and the installation will take 1 to 2 hours. And very important, the implementation training can take 5 days because you will require one technical person with you so that he is able to help you as to how you have to do. And then pay as you use. The services, the memory, the users, how much ever use, you have to only pay for that and not for everything. And a lot of tools, you get 12 months free. Probably if somebody wants to really try it out, there are 12-month free options also available among these. So you can pick the one and see how to make good use of those.
Tungaji, the Tally and other softwares of like Computex and all those software, they will also play in this.
Very well. Exactly. This is the greatest advantage, as I told you here. One license is enough for you. But having said that, let me tell you, Tally internally has kept a lock that only 10 users can access at one point of time. And for us, we don't have to require more than 10 users logging in and doing the audit.
But for the multi-user license, which is like right now installed in our offline computers, so if this software basically installed in cloud, so I believe that only single link will work as a multi-user.
No, it is only for multi-user. I'm telling. The moment you take it to cloud, Tally has put their settings in such a way that only 10 people can work at a time. They have restricted. In fact, I have put that in Webtel, which I'll be covering. I use in my office known as a tool by Webtel, where my Tally is available there. My Computex is put there. In fact, Computex, for example, gives IP config where you can do without any tools also. But we have put it there so that all my data resides there. I don't have to take any backup actually. And they give with cloud, without cloud also. Like initially I took without cloud where I get only access where people can work remotely. I have to just switch on my system in the office and then it worked. But later I found that my office jana hai, system on karna hai, I should do that. We got into the cloud as well actually. So if you go into this cloud computing, including your Microsoft Office, MS365, you can put it in the cloud and anybody can access using the login and password. It is like एक system को 4-5 जन use करे at a time with different monitors and keyboards. It is that way. You might recall that people use thin PCs or thin computing. Similarly, instead of using thin computing where when the resource gets shared, बहुत सारा glitch or hangover होता है. That will not happen when you are using this cloud computing. So for Tally, as far as my knowledge goes, 10 people for multi-user, it is getting allowed and people are able to make use of it.
And any idea for Busy and Marg? They also play on the same.
See, most of the tools will work unless it is restricted. I'll put it that way. Tally, for example, they have particularly chosen to restrict it to 10 users. Your Microsoft, all the regular softwares will work there inside.
Okay. So it is not user-based.
No, it is not. It is login based, because if there are people who are going to use cloud computing, they will have to go with a login and password. So technically it is user based only. Technically it is user based.
That is basically cloud provider will provide us the login details.
Exactly.
It
If
is
you
not
go for Microsoft
Tally or
no, for you will install the Tally. That's it. Your job is over. After that, the users who are logging through your through this login credentials provided by the service provider, they will be logging and using these tools actually.
And one thing more, sir, is there any like on the same company, can 2 or 3 people can work together in Tele in cloud? For the same
multi-user, yes. If you're having multi-user, yes.
In multi-user, yes.
Yes.
I can do January entry. Other person can do like March entry.
No, you're talking about the same company.
Yes.
I don't think so. There is a restriction because I've seen in companies that happening actually. Like one person is doing purchase entries, the other person is doing sales. Yes, very much possible. Parallel entries are possible in Tally. Yes.
But they are not able to see that what is other person is doing, like the Google. Like
it depends on the rights. Depends on the rights. See, today Tally has got a log. If you want to know what is happening, you can always pull the log and see. But log is post-mortem. आप लाइव नहीं देख पाओगे कि अभी क्या हो रहा है.
Correct.
आप कोई एंट्री हो रही है तो देख सकते हो कि अभी कितनी एंट्रीज आई है और किसने डाली है मतलब. So that is possible, but live monitoring is not possible entirely actually. And one more nice tool I saw, Shashank, that audit trail which is there also now is getting covered in Tally. So if people are deleting entries or modifying, there is a track which tells that what has happened actually. So
can we off it? Can we switch off that that log?
That also will get recorded.
That's bad, sir.
So that is why the whole idea is for the management to know that somebody is not fooling the company. So entries has to be proper. Otherwise, there is going to be trouble for the management themselves explaining why these entries were put and why this got.
So the log is also connected with the data, the Tele data. For example, I have made the accounting in my Tele software, and I'll just copy the data and shift it to your computer. So correct. Log will also move with the data.
Obvious, yes, it will. Now you can make it move without log, but then the tray will go after that. Actually, you can get that done.
No, I believe right now we are in a seminar and members want to understand both the things. So that's
correct. No, it will go. See, Tally backup will move as it is, including the user controls, whatever is there will move as it is actually. It will not leave something and have something unless you tell that this is only I want and I don't want those things actually.
Okay. Fair, sir.
So next I will cover the productivity tools which I have been beneficial of. The most important one is this Microsoft 365. You are able to get access to all the important softwares of MS Office for 1 year, and the charge they are taking only 6,999 for 1 year. If you want to go for Microsoft Business, but what I have gone instead is I have gone for Microsoft Home and Family Pack, where I get 6 access of these tools where 6 people can use MS 365, and the charges are again 6,000 rupees only. And one more great thing, I get OneDrive 1 TB data for 6 people. So in total, I get 6 TB of storage available in MS 365. I've given the links also here, so probably you can use that because Microsoft 365 contains a lot of tools which a normal Excel or Word will not have. In fact, I took one session a month back on new tools in Excel. There are a lot of tools available in MS 365 which are otherwise not available in Excel 2019 or 16. So please, my suggestion will be to be updated with technology. For a CA, 6,000 per annum is not a big cost. Even if you feel that it might not be useful for 1 year, please subscribe to it, see how you can use it or make good use of it. If you find it worth, please carry on. If you don't want, you can kind of always stop it. So by getting this Microsoft 365, आपका storage का काम हो जाता है, or you get the latest technological tools which you can use it for effective handling of audits actually. The alternate can be your Google Workspace or the Zoho Workspace, depending on which you are comfortable with actually. In fact, personally asking, I'm more comfortable with Microsoft because when I remember in 90s, when I had my first email ID, there was no Google actually. So from there, the account ran and I'm more comfortable with MS 365. Another reason why we are comfortable is because the tools which we use in our office is mostly 365. So you can choose whichever you want. Not that Google is not good. They are equally good. But sometimes what happens when there are same service providers, the compatibility is actually very good. It is for that reason I also chose my laptop as Microsoft Surface, so that I do not have any compatibility issues and I'm able to use the tools very effectively. So I've just given the pricing as well as the link as to how much it might cost you, the basic business account, standard, business premium, and all the tools. I have opted for MS365 family pack, which I feel for a CA office is more than enough actually. If you want to try Google, they also come with almost similar cost actually. And then they have with email IDs, without email IDs, which you can choose. And then there is one in Zoho as Zoho Workspace, where they also give 15-day trial, and then you can kind of take the scheme which one suits you actually. And having said that, friends, you should know that Zoho and Institute has a tie-up where they're giving 3 tools free of charge for 3 years. It comes with Zoho Books, Zoho Expense, and Zoho Payroll. For people who have not tried, please try Zoho Books once, because it has got wonderful features which is not present in Tally, I will say. And then there is another competitor to Zoho, QuickBooks. QuickBooks is also equally good, but I found that the Zoho Books is more compatible to Indian needs because they have taken that into consideration. And one good thing I saw was where you upload a document, say a bank statement, your one leg of entry actually gets posted, which means you just have to tell what is the other leg of entry you have to post. So there are tools where the artificial intelligence is being used by these tools, and you can actually make use of it. And since you are getting it free for 3 years, you can always try. If you feel comfortable, then you can refer it to a few clients so that they'll be able to complete their task very easily. This will be helpful for more people who are having huge volumes actually.
Sir, Rajiv Agrawal ji, I think they need to ask a question.
He is telling cloud computing of which company? I didn't get the question, Rajiv ji.
राजीव जी, प्लीज
If you can unmute
मेरा
also.
क्वेश्चन यही था कि किस कंपनीज का जो है ये सॉफ्टवेयर क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग है, वो शायद मुझे रिप्लाई मिल गया है, आपने बता दिया। 3-4 कंपनीज का आपने ऑप्शन दिया है। एक शशांक जी ने को कहा था, तो मैं टैली जो है टैली ऑन क्लाउड यूज कर रहा हूँ, मल्टी यूजर है, मेरे पास 2 लॉगिन आईडी है एट प्रेजेंट में जो सर्विस ले रहा हूँ। 2 पर्सन एट ए टाइम जो है उस पर काम कर सकते हैं। इट्स ए मल्टी यूजर, और अगर मैं 2 यूजर से ज्यादा लेना चाहूँ तो मुझे पर यूजर चार्जेस एक्स्ट्रा पे करना पड़ेंगे। इट्स ए वंडरफुल फीचर ऑफ टैली ऑन क्लाउड।
करेक्ट
सर, आप जो यूज कर रहे हैं वो टैली ऑन क्लाउड यूज कर रहे हैं कि किसी और का क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग में टैली को आपने लोड किया है?
सर मैंने लोड नहीं किया है, टैली जो है टैली ऑन क्लाउड जो है किसी और का प्लेटफॉर्म है, कोमाहर टेक्नोलॉजी जो टैली की सर्विसेज देते हैं उनके थ्रू मैंने परचेज किया है टैली ऑन क्लाउड।
So as Rajiv rightly says, it is upon you. आपने कोई क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग यूज किया उसमें भी डाल सकते हो, और you can go with directly Tally where Tally itself is available for the use. So you have another testimonial.
राजीव जी, एक चीज और मैं आपसे उत्सुकता से जानना चाहूंगा कि उनसे जरूर पूछना कि आफ्टर 10 यूजर व्हाट इज लाइक देयर सॉल्यूशन, बिकॉज डूंगर जी ने अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया है कि 10 के बाद वो कट कर देते हैं उस चीज को। तो आपके केस में जैसे आपका भी उन्होंने मल्टी यूजर लिया होगा, तो उन्होंने आपको 2 यूजर्स के लिए एक्सेस दे दिया अभी।
यस।
आप अगर उनको बोलेंगे कि मुझे 11 यूजर की एक्सेस चाहिए, तो क्या वो आपके वाले सॉल्यूशन पे दे पा रहे हैं या आपको किसी और चीज में अपग्रेड करना पड़ेगा?
ठीक है, ये मैं कंफर्म करके आपको बताऊंगा।
हाँ प्लीज सर, मुझे थोड़ा सा उत्सुकता रहेगी जानने की।
2 से अप टू 5 या 6 तक के लिए तो वो एग्री थे देने के लिए। ये तो मुझे पता है कि 5-6 यूजर्स के लिए तक तो वो दे देते हैं। मल्टी यूजर में 5-6 लोग एट ए टाइम वर्क कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मोर देन 10 जैसे सर ने बताया, तो मोर देन 10 के लिए क्या ये फीचर पॉसिबल है? एक चीज उन्होंने और मुझे सजेशन दिया था, वो कंप्यूटेक्स, टैली और एमएस ऑफिस के जितने भी फीचर्स हैं, एक्सेल हो गया, वर्ड हो गया, ये भी हमें क्लाउड के ऊपर देने के लिए एग्री हैं। एनुअली चार्जेज वो कुछ डिमांड कर रहे थे कि वो हम कहीं से भी एक्सेस, ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। कंप्यूटेक्स स्टाफ कहीं से भी वर्क कर सकता है, सारा कुछ जो है वो क्लाउड के ऊपर आ जाएगा। वो
राजीव जी, वो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर का नाम चैट पे डाल दीजिए, पीपल विल बी बेनिफिटेड, बिकॉज this is a new tool which you are telling कि भाई ये एक और है, because
But-
I have been using Vector.
But Dunga sir, what I believe, what you are saying, I think they are all like they become the service provider for the same services which you have done by yourself for your own firm.
Correct.
तो ये एक बीच में सर्विस प्रोवाइडर आ गए जो यही सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं, so that people will not have to pay.
This is better because उनका competitively बढ़िया रहेगा. मेरे को I don't have to break much head. अभी क्या हुआ मेरे में, for the setup of Tally it took actually 5 to 6 hours.
हाँ, correct.
Now here by using these things your life is easier because उनका पूरा preset रहता है. You just have to install the Tally actually.
But राजीव जी, डुंगर जी ने पैसे अपने बहुत बचाए और कॉस्टिंग बहुत कम कर ली. Because actually, Dunga sir, what I believe, जैसे मेरे ऑफिस में everything is on remote right now. और मैं अपने चार्जेस बोलूँ तो जैसे मैंने रिमोट करा, विंडो सर्वर मैंने खुद क्रिएट कर लिया और मतलब एक डेडिकेटेड लाइन लेनी होती है, तो आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ लाइक नॉर्मल फिजिकल सर्वर रेदर देन क्लाउड सर्वर, बट उस पे मेरी रिकरिंग कॉस्ट नहीं है. सो मेरे को लगता है कि सॉल्यूशन हमारे को इतना भी रखना चाहिए कि मेरी कॉस्ट ज़्यादा ना बढ़े एज अ प्रैक्टिशनर. और क्योंकि हर जना नहीं करता सर, हर जना ऑनलाइन जाने की कोशिश तो कर रहे हैं सारे, बट नहीं जा पाते ड्यू टू द कॉस्टिंग और जो भी रिकरिंग है. तो आई बिलीव
एक और चीज है, not everybody is good like you and me who can do things in house.
yes sir.
Let's admit that because I remember
बेनिफिट तो बहुत है. मेरी एक अभी स्टाफ है, शी इज इन फैमिली वे, तो शी इज नॉट इन अ पोजीशन टू कम द ऑफिस, बट शी इज राइट नाउ वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम एंड माय वर्क इज नॉट सफरिंग ड्यू टू दिस.
एब्सोल्युटली राजीव सर. सर यही फायदे हैं, धीरे धीरे इतने हो जाते हैं, हमें आदत लग जाती है इनकी ना, तो ये चीजें हो रही हैं नेचुरली अब सबके साथ.
Shashank, the best example on what Rajiv ji also said, we are doing an internal for a concern where there are 10 departments actually and there are 4 to 5 people working including me. तो on a normal day क्या होता था, हमारा एक ऑडिट प्रोग्राम रहता था, वो सब अपना अपना काम करके आते हैं, इकट्ठा करते थे. Today life has become easier. I have put that in OneDrive और सबको एक्सेस दे दिया है. वो एक्सेल शीट खोलता है, अपना आप काम करता है, खत्म हो जाएगा. और वो एक्सेल शीट का शेयरिंग दे दिया है, मतलब तो उसका वो अपना पॉइंट डाल रहा है उसी एक्सेल फाइल में और मैं अपना कर रहा हूँ, दोनों मर्ज हो जाता है. कभी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आ जाता है, यू टेल सर देयर आर 2 एक्सेल शीट्स, वी आर नॉट एबल टू मर्ज, यू वांट टू कीप और बोथ, तो बोलते हैं यार दोनों रख लें, बाद में देख लेंगे कौन सा क्या है.
करेक्ट सर, करेक्ट.
So today you won't believe, ऑडिट खत्म होने के बाद we have to do nothing actually. नहीं तो it takes half day for us to compile the data कि यार तुम्हारा वो डेटा क्या हुआ, मेरा क्या हुआ, रिपोर्ट बनाने में जो दिक्कतें होती थी. So life has become easier actually.
अंतर एक जने को स्ट्रांगली फॉलो अप भी करना पड़ता है फिर उसके लिए.
Correct. And Shashank, honestly let me tell you, स्टेज पे कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, जब ऑडिट खत्म हो जाता है ना उसके बाद दूसरे पे लग जाते हैं, वो पुराने पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं.
Absolutely.
So this Zoho also has got some tools और उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे दिया है. Probably you can pull from the PPT once I'll be sharing with everybody. So coming to remote access tools, cloud computing एक था. Other option I told you was using this OneDrive and Google Drives. इसके अलावा सर प्रेजेंट सेटअप में मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, कुछ भी नया नहीं है. This all you definitely would have used at some point of time. आपने भी यूज नहीं किया तो आपका वेंडर कहीं ना कहीं बोला होगा सर टीमवियर में आ जाओ, एनीडेस्क पे आ जाओ, ताकि हम लोग आपका सिस्टम कंट्रोल में ले लेते हैं, देन वी कैन डू. सो यू कैन डू दोस थिंग्स आल्सो विद ईज. इसमें एनीडेस्क में वन फीचर आई वुड लाइक टू कवर व्हिच पीपल मे नॉट नो. वन सेकंड. इसमें स्क्रीन विजिबल, एनीडेस्क की स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
Yes sir, please.
Yeah. So now here on the right there is one general button, you click and go to settings. Under settings you go to security and there is an option known as enable unattended access. इसमें आप पासवर्ड भी रख सकते हो, बिना पासवर्ड भी रख सकते हो. It is suggested you please use the password. अगर ये आप दे देते हो एक्सेस, तो जैसे ही आपका सिस्टम ऑन रहेगा, somebody doesn't have to call you and tell sir आप एनीडेस्क में आ जाओ, नंबर दे दो, ये बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है. सो इनिशियल डेज में जब हमको where we were not using other companies tools, we actually use this AnyDesk. इसमें एक ही चैलेंज है, आप रिमोटली सिस्टम को बंद कर पाओगे पर स्विच ऑन नहीं कर पाओगे. So to switch on the system, to switch on the internet, somebody has to be there available physically actually. जो आप सोचते हो भाई मेरे को क्लाउड में नहीं जाना है, but at the same time मेरे को किसी स्टाफ से काम करवाना है, 3-4 घंटे का काम है और मेरा डेटा सर्वर में ही है या मेरे लोकल सिस्टम में ही, I want my data to be there. You can actually use AnyDesk also very effectively by enabling this particular feature, so that आपको बार बार रोज देने की जरूरत नहीं, भाई ये मेरा login है या password है. He can immediately, your system should be on, he can log in through the password and he can take over the system actually. Only thing is, please give this rights to only known people, otherwise your system can be in trouble actually. And then the other one is remote desktop, जो आपके विंडोज में इनबिल्ट फीचर है. इट हैज गॉट सम लिमिटेशन, दैट इज व्हाई इट डिड नॉट गेट पॉपुलर. बट अगर आपको वो भी यूज करना है तो यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉल योर सिस्टम वेंडर एंड आस्क हिम टू सेट अप द आरडीपी. दे कॉल इट आरडीपी एक्चुअली. उसको भी आप रिमोट से यूज कर सकते हो. And then one more nice tool which I came thanks to the committee for members in practice. They have come up with one audit confirmation software. कई कंपनीज ऑडिट में हमने देखा है कि इट इज वेरी चैलेंजिंग फॉर अस टू गेट द कंफर्मेशंस फ्रॉम द बैंक, द वेंडर्स, द कस्टमर्स, और अपने पास ट्रैकिंग थोड़ा मिस हो जाता है. सो फॉर दैट देयर इज वन टूल नोन एज firmware.in and there is a offer also given for ICA members. You can try out that. They have given a nice video also for you to understand how it works, where a lot of things are getting automated. आपको ईमेल अलग से भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है. Lot of things are sent and then the client just has to click the button and send give the confirmations. Initially हमने ये Excel में use किया था, but now I came to know through this one of the tool. Friends, I have not used this effectively. I just came to know before a week's time. वो बोलते ना कभी कभी टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बोलना होता है तो you explore lot of things. So it is thanks to today's session I was able to explore this one. So probably I'll give my feedback to the organizers by using it. But people जिनको interest है, जिनके पास companies है, in fact it is even applicable for tax audits. We have to get confirmations from few of the clients directly, not the rely on the person who is given by the client. So you can use this audit confirmation software where a lot of things can happen automatically and all the information is available at one go. इसमें login password में अंदर देख जाएंगे तो आपको सारी information एक जगह पे आ जाती है. And then apart from the tools which we discussed, in fact Tally में एक और feature है, that is something known as E2 Tally Soft. This software is developed by some chartered accountant where you get Tally to Excel real time. यानी Tally में आप जो भी change करो वो Excel में आपको real time में मिल जाता है. जहाँ पे आप बड़ी कंपनीज का ऑडिट कर रहे हैं आपको काफी टाइम लगती है डेटा कंपाइल करने में, या डेटा बाद में चेंज हो जाता है बिकॉज आपके ऑडिट के बाद वो लोग फाइनलाइजेशन एंट्रीज या क्लोजिंग एंट्रीज डालते हैं. You can use these kind of tools so that आपको वापस पहले से रीवर्क नहीं करना पड़े.
क्या डालना?
हाँ प्लीज दूंगा.
And then the other tools which I already told you, Webtel is one of the tool which I have tried. We have tried it for the sake of people to work remotely where they will get access. But पहले हमने यूज किया था with server. Webtel do have an option with cloud also. And another way is using Zoho remotely. This all works like the other tools which I've already told you. Whether you use the cloud computing wala one or using the simplest tools like OneDrive, Google Drive or the Dropbox actually. So the one important things which I wanted to cover is the simple tools which is available with us is using Google Forms and Google Sheet. कि lot of information जो अपने को email में आता है, WhatsApp आता है, we can automate it, and how I use in my office, which you can also think and use it for your office. Is the web browser visible? 17:12 करके time दिखा रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. So now I will go how to go inside the Google form, forms.google.com. Probably जो institute से जुड़े उनको सबको मालूम है, because every time when we want to collect information we use this tool actually. In fact हमारे ऑफिस में time sheet use करने के लिए we use this tool actually, where a staff is asked to update his work every hour basis. तो हमको evening मिल जाता है कि कौन से काम के लिए कितना उन्होंने time spend किया है. I'll try to create a new form so that you can also know how these things work. Now you can say this is to form to collect information. Option 1, enter your name. And I will click required to make it compulsory. यानी एक क्वेश्चन को 100% आंसर मेरे को चाहिए. Now we'll add plus and go for the next question. Only for control purposes, I will say enter mobile number. And then short answer. You can put response validation और उसको you can restrict by ये mobile number ही डाले या 10 digit से कम नहीं डाले, उसके लिए भी possible है actually, where you can put that. And then make this also compulsory. And then we can say file number, अगर internal number है, we'll make this optional because sometimes client may not remember that, but अगर उनको मालूम है, तो we can get this information also. Now if you want to ask further questions, you can put it here, or you want to collect the documents. Example, upload bank statement. I'm talking about a client where initially we want the bank statement to be uploaded. In this, there is an option known as file upload. वो आप select कर लीजिए and say continue. Now by doing this, what will happen is a person will be compulsorily required to have a Gmail ID. Without that, it will not be possible for him to upload the documents. So it's a allow only specific file types, whether you want only document, spreadsheet or PDF. इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, या image or a drawing. I don't want presentation, I don't want video, I don't want audio, or the file should not exceed 10 MB. और इसको मैं compulsory कर देता हूँ. Then I will say enter any other information. And I will give paragraph because the client wants to tell something, let him say that. So now within a matter of few minutes, the form is ready. और मेरे को ये link खाली share करना है. I will say send. Click this. I'll copy this and say copy. So probably I'll share this link with you. I want 1 or 2 people to try putting the information. In fact, ये upload वाला मैं optional कर देता हूँ, so that you don't have to do that now actually. And here no saving is required because it is all automatic. The moment you click, आपका वो वहां पे change हो जाता है. Can somebody confirm whether they are getting access, because I don't know whether access का अलग से कुछ parameter देना होता है या
क्या दूंगा सर?
नहीं, आप ट्राई करके देखिए. कभी-कभी क्या होता है, access restricted रहता है.
हाँ,
वो allow कर रहा है कि नहीं, मुझे check करना है.
ओके, आपने लिंक शेयर किया है?
हाँ, लिंक चैट बॉक्स में शेयर किया है. You can just.
Sir, we need a permission.
Now I think it will work now. Can you just try now, Shashank?
Yes.
And confirm.
Yes, sir. Now it's working.
because वो I'll tell you the option. The problem was it said restrict to users of the ICI because अपने ICI की ID use कर रहा हूँ मैं. People with other IDs won't be able to use it. Now I've removed that. It is working, and you can limit to one response. एक email ID से एक ही बार आना है तो आप limit भी कर सकते हो.
Okay.
And then you can set here as edit after submit also.
Done, sir.
So Shashank, if you can fill some information, and 1 or 2 people can put it so that we can. I'll tell you how to download the data and use it live actually. I've got one response. Shashank is mobile number. Since ये optional कर दिया था, there was no requirement for him to upload the bank statement. Now, if I want to download this in Excel format, I click these 3 dots and then click download responses. And what happens? Are you able to see this Excel file which is getting opened? Can somebody confirm in the chat box whether the Excel is visible in the screen? No. Okay, I will stop sharing and share it again then. I think this should work now. Is it fine now? Yes. Can you see the HTML, I mean the browser now? Can somebody confirm whether they're able to see the browser? Yes. So I think I don't have to stop sharing the screen. Now what happened? Here were the questions which I had put. Here are the responses which I've got. And what I did was I clicked this and said download responses. I was able to download a zip file. And then what happened? I was able to get this information. And had Shashank uploaded this bank statement, यहाँ पे मेरे को एक link आ जाता. It would have been a Google Drive link.
आपने बैंक स्टेटमेंट मांग ली इसलिए नहीं करी बस ना.
हाँ नहीं ऑप्शनल रखा मैंने. You use that. So अगर आप डालते तो यहाँ पे एक लिंक आ जाता. मेरे को लिंक क्लिक करने से it will take me to that file actually. So what happens? email में मुझे एक मेल आता है, डाउनलोड करके रखना पड़ता है. Everything is available for easy retrieval later actually. So जहाँ पे आपको information regular कुछ चीजें चाहिए, you can use this tool. In fact, in our office we use this for attendance also. I will go to form.google.com. And you can always name, जैसे अभी हमने यूज किया था, इसको मैं रीनेम कर सकता हूँ बैंक स्टेटमेंट और इनकम टैक्स info. ये एक और फॉर्म है, जैसे हमारे स्टाफ का नाम आया पुट एंड दे विल मार्क देयर अटेंडेंस, दे विल गिव देयर टाइम, कौन से टाइम पे उन्होंने क्या काम किया है, 12 PM to 1 PM, एंड देन क्लाइंट फाइल नंबर और नेम और रिमार्क्स कुछ हो तो, जैसे ये काम अटक गया हूं या नहीं कर पा रहा हूं, और I can say report to and put multiple choice, audit manager 1, second CA Shashank, third partner CA dot so and so. So if I use this and then send this link, you can see how this works also. Invalid dynamic link. Can we add multiple entries in timesheet? सुनील जी, can you elaborate? मैं समझा नहीं आपकी क्वेश्चन को. ओके, अभी ये गूगल फॉर्म एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा. आई हैव टू एनेबल दैट, क्योंकि मैंने लास्ट टाइम वो यूज करके बंद कर दिया था. आई विल गो टू रेस्पॉन्सेस एंड एक्टिवेट दिस accepting responses. Now I will go back like this. The form is ready, so I can fill this information. Choose. I am Ramesh.
सुनील जी, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं क्या? सुनील गोगिया जी, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
और अगर जैसे ये अपने को मल्टीपल चॉइस चाहिए, तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन चेंज द पैरामीटर. जैसे एग्जांपल आई विल से प्लस टाइप ऑफ वर्क. इट कैन बी इनकम टैक्स, it can be tax audit, it can be company audit, others. Instead of telling multiple choice, I will say checkbox. इस पे क्या होगा? You can choose two choices actually. I'll just do this. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? I can choose two things at one go. Tax audit and company audit, because there may be cases where tax audit is also applicable and company audit is also applicable. Sunil ji, you are not audible. Somebody has to unmute Shashank. Sunil ji ko somebody has to unmute.
हेलो सुनील जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. नहीं आ रही सर, हमें ना
नहीं आ रही है. सर आप क्वेश्चन को इलैबोरेट कर लो, बिकॉज मल्टीपल एंट्रीज इन द टाइम शीट ऑलरेडी मैंने दिखा दिया. मल्टीपल एंट्रीज है इधर. रिपोर्ट टू जो भी आप डालना चाहते हो डाल सकते हो. आर यू ट्राइंग टू मीन दैट और समथिंग एल्स? In fact, we have circulated one Google form, survey form for SARC. Just try.
सर ये डुंगर सर, ये फोन पे आ गई है कॉल, तो मैंने लाउड स्पीकर ऑन कर दिया है.
ओके ओके, बोलिए.
प्लीज अनुष.
सर मेरे को ये पूछना है that if a person wants to log in, say that he has done in the first half he has done some work and in the second half he has done some other work, and that person wants to log in both the details, then how is it possible through one form to log in both the details?
नहीं, that might not be possible. He'll have to make those entries twice. आप टाइम का अलग करके he can see, जैसे यही फॉर्म, I'll give you the example of the same form. Now 10 to 11 am एक काम किया है, 11 to 12 दूसरा काम किया है. Correct? So he can first fill this form for 10 to 11 am separately. Then after that fill 11 to 12 the second half actually.
All right.
So that will take care of things. फिर आपको एक्सेल में आ जाएगा, उसके बाद आपको डेटा कैसे यूज करना आप यूज कर सकते हैं.
Yes. ठीक है सर, ठीक है. Got it.
So in fact, if you explore inside this Google form is wonderful because lot of small things it helps actually. इस in fact इसमें आप validation कर सकते हो कि भाई ये डेट ही आना है, टाइम ही आना है या मोबाइल नंबर ही आना है. A lot of small tweaks you have to do, and surprisingly you can even conduct quizzes. A lot of quizzes, if you see, is possible to do through the Google form, which you can try to do it for your employees actually. And now, having said this, there's one wonderful tool in Google is sheets.google.com. पहले मैं दोनों अलग अलग कवर कर रहा हूं. After that I will try to tell you how both works actually. So I've gone to sheets.google.com. मेरे ऑफिस का मैं क्या करता हूं, मेरे टास्क इधर डाल देता हूं मैं, where I'm telling that the person what he has to do himself. से एक नया टास्क आया है to say B001. The client name is say Babu Lal. It is assigned to say Ramesh in my office, and I've given the target date of say 17th August 2021, and then he can choose to complete these things by giving the link. इसमें मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, I can always say share and then get link, copy link. So the link is copied. Restrict only people who with this link can see. Now I will share the link with all of you. Now if somebody is trying to edit, you won't be able to edit. Or are you able to edit? Can somebody confirm whether they are able to edit? I've shared a Google Sheet link.
Sir, you need access.
Yes. Now the advantage is, ये मेरा admin access I don't want to give, I can restrict it. But मैं चाहता हूँ कि शशांक edits these 4 of these things only. The in status वाला thing or remarks if he wants to mention. So मैं क्या करूँगा, right click करके I will give access by clicking protect range and tell you I want protection, set permissions. So restrict who can edit this range, custom. शशांक आपका मेल आईडी बताएंगे जीमेल वाला?
shashank.ddca
sha.ddca@gmail.com आ गया है. So I will say done. Now Shashank, you try to see if you can
Yes, sir.
edit it.
I still okay.
No, please.
No, I'm actually logged in with some another email ID.
आपको उसी login से अंदर जाना
Now
है.
it's open, sir. Now it's open.
Now you try to please type something in that status. आपने जो टाइप कर रहे हो मेरे को यहाँ पे लाइव दिख रहा है शशांक.
Okay. अब दिखा क्या सर?
Yes, हेलो डाला आपने, ओके डाला.
तो आपने मुझे एक्सेस तो नहीं दिया था इसका, या दिया था?
नहीं, I gave only 4 actually. मैं I do one more thing of protecting actually. I 1 to 1000 डाल दिया. 1 सेकंड रुकिए, 1 सेकंड. अभी लॉक करता हूं मैं. Shashank, now you please try. आप खाली F2 to G3 चेंज कर पाओगे, बाकी नहीं एडिट कर पाओगे. वो जो बॉक्स दिख रहा है देखो ग्रीन कलर का, उतना ही आप कर पाओगे बस.
करेक्ट.
So इसमें क्या होता है कि जैसे जो एक्सेस जिसको देना है
सर देखिए,
नहीं, it should not work. Then I missed out something here. 1 second.
आपने अभी लॉक नहीं करी है सर शीट ना?
हाँ, I have not locked the sheet. Correct.
हाँ, अभी लॉक नहीं हुए तो मैं एक्सेस कर पा रहा हूँ.
Correct. वो लॉक कर दिया तो हो जाएगा. There is another place where I have to do that. I missed that part actually. 1 second. We'll try to do that also and check. Here, a protect sheet.
ओनली यू कर दीजिए ना सर, रेंज तो आप ही सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
हाँ हाँ, अभी ट्राई कीजिए शशांक।
मेरे को तो आपने अलाउ कर ही रखा है, शायद कर रखा है सर आपने मुझे अलाउ।
नहीं, एक सेकंड,
आपने मुझे अलाउ कर रखा है ऊपर ना।
नहीं, बट मैं रेंज दे रहा हूँ, शीट F2 to G63।
बट आई एम अलाउड फॉर द कंप्लीट शीट, मैंने जो देखा ना आपके में परमिशंस थी।
ओके ओके,
आप देखिए ना, इस पे लिखा रहा है ना, शो अ वार्निंग रिस्ट्रिक्ट हु कैन
वो नहीं, वो तो वार्निंग खाली देगा।
हाँ, रिस्ट्रिक्ट में आप कस्टम करा आपने,
इसमें
कस्टम में
कस्टम
देखिए
में
ओनली यू करिए ना। आपने अभी दोनों को कर रखा है एक्चुअली। आप मुझे वो कर दीजिए। हाँ अब सही है सर, अब मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा,
रिमूव कर दिया,
अब
अभी
मैं नहीं
कीजिए।
कर पाऊंगा सर।
नहीं, लेकिन अभी आप F2 to G3 ट्राई कीजिए, F2 to G3 में चेंज कीजिए।
F2
हाँ,
हाँ उसमें नहीं कर पा रहा
वहां
सर,
पे हो रहा है, यस,
F2
बिकॉज
नहीं कर पा
वो
रहा।
परमिशन मैंने दे दी है।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली।
सो बाय दिस क्या होता है कि यू कैन लॉक द सेल वेयर थिंग्स कैन हैपन। एब्सोल्युटली आपको मालूम रहेगा भाई ये किसने एडिट किया है। कई बार हमने देखा है गलती से वो क्या करते हैं, अपना टास्क पूरा उलट पुलट कर देते हैं। तो दिस वी आर एबल टू डू इट इन अवर ऑफिस वेयर दिस इज डन बाय द एडमिन पर्सन, और उनके पास राइट्स रहता है भाई उन्होंने स्टेटस क्या है और क्या पेंडिंग है इतना डालते हैं, और डेट, इनफैक्ट हमारे ऑफिस में ये भी चेंज करने का हमने परमिशन दे दिया उनको, so that they can decide what they have to do actually. Or now I'll give you one more very beautiful thing about this Google Sheet, how you can link this with Excel. आप क्या कर सकते हो, अभी फाइल, there is an option known as publish to web, और फिर मैं इसको publish to web दे देता हूं मैं। अब ये लिंक आ गया मेरे पास, which is getting published in web, कॉपी करके रख लेता हूं, and I go and open Excel. नया फाइल खुल गया। I will go to insert, one second, data, sorry, data from web. I just have to give a control V and say okay. One second, data from web. Okay, I should have selected table, दूसरा वाला select हो गया इसलिए gave the other things. Now you can see the information has come. ऐसा table आ गया. Now if I go back to my this thing and then make some changes. Go to the Excel sheet, right click and say refresh, और यहाँ पे डेटा में यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन रहेगा रिफ्रेश ऑल। ओके, आई थिंक आई गिव आउट ऑफ रेंज वाले ऑप्शन दे दिया हमने। 1 सेकेंड, I don't know, some trouble is there, but actually it works out. मैं वापस pull करता हूँ from web. एक बार आप set कर लो, तो actually it works perfectly well. ये because I've been using this 365 for the first time. I don't know, some settings is to be changed. Otherwise, Excel 2019 में was working wonderfully well actually.
वो सर एक बार ट्राई करके देखेंगे सब, तो उससे
Yes,
क्लियर.
but it definitely work. I always tell computers can do mistakes, but cannot do. I mean, can do blunders, but cannot do mistakes.
करेक्ट.
So whatever you make changes here, आपको easy हो जाता है, तो बार बार आपको आपके Google Sheet पे भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Once you create this sync, आपको आपकी वाली Excel फाइल खोलनी है और रिफ्रेश डालना है, वो डेटा पूरा वहां से यहाँ आ जाता है actually. So there is another way of doing it. And then going back to the Google form, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, Google form और Google Sheet का भी एक लिंक क्रिएट कर सकते हो. Now suppose this is my data, मेरा Google form का जो I think अपना वाला लेते हैं, जो क्लाइंट के लिए हमने किया था, इनकम टैक्स इन्फो. I go to responses. यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक करके there is an option on select response destination. I will tell please create a new spreadsheet and say create. तो अभी जब मैं sheets.google.com खोलूंगा, actually there will be one Google sheet which would have come. ये इनकम टैक्स ऑफिस रेस्पॉन्सेस. तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे आ गई है. शशांक, ये वाला आप एक बार वापस ट्राई करोगे इंफॉर्मेशन फिल करने के लिए?
हाँ सर, फॉर्म वाला ना सर?
हाँ, इनकम टैक्स वाला. यस, आई ट्राई टू शेयर द लिंक.
चेक करता हूँ. कर दिया सर.
सो कर दिया. sheets.google.com. Second response, now you can see it has come actually. और अगर आप वो एक्सेल के साथ लिंक कर देते हो, तो यहां से आप फाइल you can publish it to the web, and then so second, and it comes with a time stamping. In fact, people who want to use attendance, they can do this also, where time stamping also will come. But only challenge is, किसी ने मोबाइल से कहीं और से अटेंडेंस मार्क कर दिया तो वो टाइम आ जाएगा actually. So that challenge will always be there.
Exactly.
So these are some small tools where you don't have to spend huge money on software. और मैंने कई बार देखा है कि अपने जो कस्टमाइज अपनी जो जरूरत होती है वो कई बार सॉफ्टवेयर में मिलती नहीं है. So for those small things actually you can, in fact Google Forms and Google Sheet itself can be a topic for 1 or 2 days actually. इतनी चीजें अंदर for you to explore. So I will request all the participants to explore more, so that आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसी information आप इसको इसमें पुल कर सकते हो actually. And then other tools which I thought will be useful is for the PDF compression and the image compression. So wonderful tools which will which are available online for you to compress and make use of it. कई बार हमने देखा है कि इनकम टैक्स साइट में या जहाँ पे इमेज रेस्ट्रिक्शन रहता है वहाँ पे you get stuck, how you can overcome that actually. And then one more thing which I came was handy is there is one option tool known as Mighty Text or Raindrop.io. इसमें क्या होता है कि आप सिस्टम में, एंड्रॉइड में, iOS में तीनों में डाल सकते हो और आपका डेटा सिंक हो जाता है. इनफैक्ट देयर वाज वन मोर ऑप्शन ऐप नोन एज पुश बुलेट, वो भी iOS ने बंद कर दिया है बिकॉज ऑफ डेटा प्राइवेसी. तो देयर आर टूल्स वेयर यू कैन यूज अक्रॉस मल्टीपल प्लेटफॉर्म्स वेयर द इंफॉर्मेशन इज शेयर्ड वेरी इजीली. कई बार बहुत सारे टूल्स यूज करने के कारण हम एक टेक्नोलॉजी पे अटक जाते हैं, उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए यू कैन यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ स्मॉल टूल्स आल्सो. And then needless to say, Google Assistant, where you put a long tap and tell hello Google and जो भी आप पूछो वो काम कर देता है. In fact, I remember a small incident where the husband used this Google Assistant and told, please call my wife and tell that I'm not coming home for dinner. तो थोड़ी देर Google 2 minutes occupied रहा and came back telling that I have called your wife this time. Next time you please call yourself. So technology has its limitations also. Then there are a lot of other tools like OCR Reader, Google Lens, where you just have to scan a page and it is converted into text automatically. कई बार हमने देखा है कि लोग टाइप करते हैं, वो सब जरूरत नहीं है today. If you have a printed text, there is an app known as OCR Reader, or even Google Lens will do that. In fact, Google Lens is so powerful, वो languages को भी translate करके दे देती है literal. Exact translation नहीं होगा, but आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. I recall जब हम इंडोनेशिया गए थे तो things were written in Indonesian language, हमको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा कि ये प्रोडक्ट क्या है. तो जैसे हमने वो Google Lens स्कैन किया, मालूम पड़ा कि वो प्रोडक्ट क्या है, and we were able to know things actually. So it is how you can make it effectively use of technology. There's one more app known as Haptic, but कल मैंने चेक किया ये Haptic app निकाल दिया गया है because Jio has bought this actually, and they're using it now for the next level of artificial intelligence. नहीं तो ये ऐप बहुत प्यारा था, where there were bots sitting for you doing the job for you. आप बोलते मेरे को 10 बजे रिमाइंडर देना है तो आपको 10 बजे रिमाइंडर आ जाता था. Probably एक वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट था ये. So maybe I'll have to explore newer tools where you can make your life easier when you are doing the audits actually. और जहां तक हो सके please try to use the open source software, don't go for the pirated one. हर बढ़िया टूल का alternative tool available है. Like for WinZip you can use 7-zip, you can use OpenOffice instead of Excel, but ये मैं recommend नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि अपने लिए bread and butter है अपना income tax and this thing. You have to use Excel. Only thing is don't go for the pirated software. हाँ, जहाँ पे viewing और limited use है, where you don't have to spend on the license, you can go for OpenOffice, and you can also explore Linux, the Ubuntu, where a lot of things do work actually. और आपको अगर explore ही करना है, there is a site reference I've given, sourceforge.net. Lot of things are available there which also can be used effectively. And I will only say that technology, embrace it or be embarrassed. Technology won't replace chartered accountants, but chartered accountants who use technology will probably replace CAs who will not use it actually. So very important that आप इसको maximum use करो. Only thing is don't get too much glued to it and forget the basics. कई बार मैंने देखा है कि लोग audit technology पे use करते हैं but basic भूल जाते हैं, as to they miss out on certain important things. So never do that as well. So thank you so much to the study circle for giving me an opportunity to explore the things which are available in the technology and share my thoughts with all of you. और मैंने links जो other useful links है, I put this in my PPT, which probably I'll be sharing with you, and you can kind of make use of it actually.
Thank you, Dungar sir.
Yes, sir.
Sandeep ji. Okay, father is already here.
Hello.
Any questions out there, Shashank?
हाँ जी sir. Sandeep ji there. Sandeep ji, would you like to say anything?
लगता है संदीप जी प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट पे पहुंच गए लगता है।
I think there is some issue with system. Just
कोई बात नहीं, आपका चेहरा नहीं आएगा, आवाज तो आएगी।
अब आवाज आ रही है सर? Yeah. Sorry.
चेहरा भी आ रहा है
There was
सब।
issue with some system, right? बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा। जी थैंक्स अ लॉट। बहुत ही अच्छे से डिलिबरेट किया आपने। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आपने जो गूगल फॉर्म्स का बताया, सीट एंड डॉक्यूमेंट का यूजेस, दैट वाज टू गुड। बहुत ही बढ़िया लगा। सी मैं थोड़ा सा वो समझना चाहता हूँ, अगर इफ यू एलैबोरेट समवेयर कि प्रैक्टिकल कुछ है तो वी वुड लाइक टू एलैबोरेट, राइट? क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग ऐसी चीज है जो कि आई थिंक नॉट ओनली कॉस्ट को रिड्यूस करेगी, बट काफी एफिशिएंटली हम वी कैन यूज एज वेल, राइट? थोड़ा सा अगर आप क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग में कुछ और बताएं कि प्रैक्टिकली कैसे हम कर सकते हैं यूज उसका।
Sandeep ji, I know 2 firms who are using Microsoft Azure actually.
Correct.
Where every morning they are totally, उनका पूरा सर्वर Microsoft में है, where they work on it. Just like a local server वो वहाँ पे available है। और when it comes to cost, it is depending on your usage कि आप कितना data upload download करते हो। And for our use, I will tell always people right away don't get jump to cloud computing. Please use the initial tools which I said. मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ, पानी में पहले एक बार एक पैर डाल के डेप्थ टेस्ट करें, फिर आप अंदर कूदें। क्या पहले से छलांग लगा ली और मालूम पड़ा कि यार पानी गहरा है या पानी है ही नहीं और लग गई? I don't want you to get into that actually. So my suggestion will always be to take the smaller step first and then go for that, so that you'll be very clear कि आप prepared हो कि नहीं हो। I always tell, in fact, ये एक speaker ने कहा था एक session में on this robotics process automation. He said अगर सिर दर्द है और घर पे गोली से काम हो जाता है तो डॉक्टर के पास मत जाइए।
That's true. Sir, one more thing कि जैसे कई बार क्या होती है कि we used to have so many mails in our mailbox, right? And generally CA firm में क्या होता है, we used to have a generic mail IDs. तो generic mail ID में क्या होता है, single mail ID में so many people are using that mail ID. तो कई बार कई important information या mails unread हो जाती है, because उस बंदे का काम का नहीं होता है तो इसको unread करके छोड़ देता है, and then next person उसको skip कर जाता है and all. Do we have any tool where we can skip this whole basket of emails and all? हम ईमेल को छोड़ के कुछ इज देयर एनी टूल जहाँ से हम क्लाइंट से डायरेक्ट कम्युनिकेट करें, जहाँ वी कैन शेयर डाटा फ्रॉम क्लाइंट्स एंड क्लाइंट भी हमें डाटा दे दे, एंड देन आफ्टर वर्किंग ऑन दैट वी कैन पास ऑन दैट डाटा टू क्लाइंट?
सर वन सिंपल वे जो मैंने बताया, वन ड्राइव का लिंक ही शेयर कर दीजिए, डायरेक्ट वहीं पे वो डाल देगा। पॉइंट नंबर 1। सेकंड, अनदर टूल व्हिच आई सेड इज कलेक्ट थ्रू गूगल फॉर्म। जिनके पास वो कंफर्ट नहीं है और आप नहीं चाहते हो भाई कि वो और कुछ फाइल्स को एक्सेस करे या वो करे, यू कैन यूज द गूगल फॉर्म। वन मोर इफेक्टिव ऑप्शन विच आई एम फोर्सिंग, जो आपको लग रहा है, थिंक गूगल में एक अलियास आईडी करके एक ऑप्शन रहता है। जैसे शशांक अग्रवाल डॉट लगा के आप जो भी करते हो तो कंसीडर नहीं होता है, तो वहां पे आप डॉट करके क्लाइंट का नाम डाल सकते हो। तो उसमें क्या होगा, क्लाइंट जब रिप्लाई करेगा उसी में करेगा, तो जब आप जब मेल आईडी डालोगे तो आपको सारे मेल्स आ जाएंगे कि उस क्लाइंट के साथ क्या इंटरेक्ट किया है। तो दैट इज वन वे वेयर यू कैन हैव अ कंट्रोल, क्योंकि कई बार अपने ऑफिस में ऐसी राइटली सेट 100 करके छोड़ दिया, मिस हो जाता है। इन ऑफिस वी हैव वन सिस्टम ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग दैट, वी यूज फोल्डर्स एक्चुअली। उसने रेड किया, उसका काम खत्म हो गया है, उस मेल को उसको फोल्डर में डालना है, उसका काम है। तो इसका मतलब जो मेरे इनबॉक्स में है वो पूरा अनपेंडिंग या मतलब पेंडिंग वर्क है जो मेरे को अटेंशन देना है। जैसे ही वो फाइल उसने अंदर डाल दी, ही विल ट्रांसफर टू द फोल्डर एक्चुअली। अब वो फोल्डर में भी नहीं करता है तो आई डोंट हैव अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट।
Yeah, true sir. Thank you sir, thanks a lot. It's a wonderful session. तो मैं अब हमारे फाउंडर कन्वीनर सीए दुर्गादास अग्रवाल जी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा, सर प्लीज प्लीज कंक्लूडिंग रिमार्क आप दें। ओवर टू यू सर।
किसी की कोई क्वेरी तो नहीं है?
जी,
और किसी की कोई क्वेरी?
नहीं, आई थिंक नहीं है।
ओके, सभी समझ गए। चलिए, नो डाउट जो भी जो टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, रिमोटेडली यूज करने के जो तरीके हैं, क्या क्या हो सकते हैं, एक बड़ी अच्छी बात बताई कि हम लोग थोड़े हेजिटेट करते हैं कि लाइसेंस सॉफ्टवेयर लेने को अवॉइड करके हम डुप्लीकेट ले लेते हैं, तो उसके लिए बताया कि अब काफ़ी सस्ते हो गए हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट ने हमारे को प्रोवाइड भी कर रहे हैं सस्ते में, तो हमको लाइसेंस यानी जो ऑथेंटिक सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करने चाहिए। और दूसरी बात, इसके बिना गुजारा भी नहीं है। आज की डेट में मैं समझता हूँ इसके बिना गुजारा नहीं है हमारा, तो वन शुड अडॉप्ट दीज थिंग्स। तो बहुत ही सही रहा। और संदीप, आपने जो रेज किया कि भाई इस तरह का एक सेमिनार होना चाहिए, तो मैं समझता हूँ इस महीने का ये पहला सेमिनार हमारा बहुत अच्छा गया आज, तो काफी लोगों ने उसको सुना, तो डूंगर जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और ऑडिटर्स के लिए मेरे को एक श्लोक याद आ रहा है, तो वो मैं आपके सम्मुख रखना चाहूंगा। एक 12th चैप्टर में एक श्लोक आता है, काफी है, भक्ति योग कहलाता है। तो इसमें एक श्लोक आता है, अनपेक्ष है सुचिर दक्ष है उदासीनो गतव्यत है। अनपेक्ष है सुचिर दक्ष है उदासीनो गतव्यत है, सर्वारंभ परित्यागी यो मद भक्त सा मे प्रिय। कृष्ण भगवान कहते हैं कि मेरे को कौन सा भक्त प्रिय है, यानी कि ऑडिटर कौन सा प्रिय है, जो अनपेक्ष है, कोई अपेक्षा नहीं रखता, सुचिर स्वस्थ है, स्वच्छ है, दक्ष है यानी कुशल है, अनपेक्ष है, सुचिर दक्ष है, उदासीनो गतव्यत है। उदासीन है, उदासीन मतलब उसको क्या रिजल्ट आएगा क्या नहीं आएगा अपने काम में लगा हुआ है, और गतव्यत है यानी कोई दुख नहीं है उसको। सर्वारंभ परित्यागी, प्री डिटरमाइंड उसका कि नहीं इसमें तो फ्रॉड ही है या कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं, जो है तो उसको कोई प्रीएम्प्शन माइंड नहीं रखना है। सर्वारंभ परित्यागी यो मद भक्त सब प्रिय, ऐसा ऑडिटर, ऐसा भक्त मुझको प्रिय है। तो ऑडिटर्स का काम भी यही है, ऑडिटर्स का काम भी यही है, सबको जो है हमको दक्षता से अच्छे से कार्य करना है। और ये जो टूल्स हैं जो इलेबोरेट किए अभी डूंगर जी जैन जी ने, हमारे बहुत ही काम के हैं। जो मैं देखता हूँ कुछ लोग जो 60s पे पहुंच चुके हैं उनको थोड़ी सी तकलीफ होती है, लेकिन हाँ, लेकिन यूज तो कर ही सकते हैं, क्योंकि आज की डेट में कोई ये तो है नहीं कि कंप्यूटर पहले बूट करना है, फिर उसमें ये करना है वो करना है, बहुत सी चीजें भाई क्लिक पे अवेलेबल हो जाती है, जितना भी कर सकते हैं हमको अडॉप्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ डूंगर जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से हमारे साथ 2 घंटे स्पेंड किए। थैंक यू वेरी मच डूंगर जी। और थैंक यू संदीप जी, आप पूरा पेन लेते हैं हमारे स्टडी सर्किल के लिए, इसको चलाने के लिए, पूरा प्रोग्राम बनाने के लिए। और स्पेशल थैंक्स शशांक के, एक साउथ से नॉर्थ को पोल को मिलाया और बड़ा अच्छा प्रोग्राम।
म्यूट हो गया। तो मैं कुछ कॉल आ गया है, मैं आई कैन हेयर दैट। सो एक चीज मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगा, आज डूंगर सर ने जिस तरीके से हमें बेसिक्स भी समझाए और थोड़ा सा एडवांस लेके गए, और संदीप सर ने जो क्वेरी पूछी कि क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, क्योंकि हमारे लिए ना जहन में है कि क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग क्या चीज है, तो क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग मैं 2 मिनट में ही समझाऊंगा कि आपके पास एक सीपीयू है जो आपने अपने ऑफिस में रखा हुआ है। अब वो सीपीयू आपके ऑफिस में नहीं रखा, वो इंडिया के किसी भी कोने में रखा हुआ है, जिसके अंदर एक हार्ड डिस्क भी लगी हुई है, रैम भी लगी हुई है, और आप ही के चूजन सॉफ्टवेयर उसमें इंस्टॉल्ड है। बट आप ना उसको ऑन करने वाले ना ऑफ करने वाले, वो 24 घंटे चलता रहता है और ऑटोमेटिक बैकअप भी लेगा। तो बस क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग यही होती है कि सॉफ्टवेयर इज ऑन द अदर साइड, इट इज नॉट ऑन योर प्लेटफॉर्म और इन योर ऑफिस, बट वो काम आप ही के लिए कर रहे हैं। अब आप इसमें शेयर्ड क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग भी बोल सकते हैं कि मैंने, संदीप जी ने, दुर्गादास जी ने, डूंगर जी ने, राजीव जी ने मिलकर एक टैली सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदा और 5 ने मिलकर 2-2 यूजर्स क्रिएट करे और हम 10 यूजर बना के एक ही टैली यूज कर रहे हैं। तो जो क्लाउड ऑन टैली है, जो टैली ऑन क्लाउड है, वो इस तरीके का कुछ एक एग्रीमेंट करके आगे अपनी सर्विसेज सेल कर रहा है। मैं अभी रेट चेक कर रहा था, सो इट इज बेसिकली 300 और 325 रुपीज पर मंथ ही इज चार्जिंग। सो it is also not a very big amount for single person or 2 person users. सो ऐसी सर्विसेज आई बिलीव बढ़ती रहेंगी और people actually going towards cloud solutions धीरे धीरे after the pandemic, but cost analysis again हमें करना होगा और इन चीज़ों की समझ रखनी होगी क्योंकि हर साल कुछ ना कुछ नया आ रहा है। अब हम AI की बात करें तो AI is also coming like it has never come in last many years and हर चीज़ अब automation पे जा रही है। तो अगेन एज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हमें टेक्नोलॉजी का सहारा लेना है और अपनी जिंदगी को आसान करने के लिए। सो दैट्स द आइडिया एंड थैंक यू अगेन डुंगर सर, आपने हमारी रिक्वेस्ट मानी और नॉर्थ इंडिया में आए एंड वी आर वेरी ब्लेस्ड और बहुत इंजॉय किया आज आपके साथ टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। थैंक यू सो मच एंड नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट संदीप जी, ओवर टू यू एंड thank you so much. Please.
My pleasure, Shashank. Always happy being a part of a program where you are there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shashank. Thanks a lot. और बहुत ही अच्छे शब्द कहे आपने। तो फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट वांटेड टू इन्फॉर्म यू कि हमारी कल और परसों ये वेबिनार्स हैं और कल हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, इट्स ऑल अबाउट HUF की राइट फ्रॉम फॉर्मेशन टू टैक्सेशन एंड अदर इशूज, दैट विल बी गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। सेकेंड, जो थर्ड वेबिनार हम कर रहे हैं परसों, दैट विल बी ऑल अबाउट बिजनेस फिनेंसेस। बिजनेस फिनेंसेस में स्पेशली द फोकस एरिया विल बी MSME। तो MSME में मतलब जो बिजनेस फिनेंसेस, वेदर गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से भी जो अनाउंसमेंट हुई है, वी आर आल्सो गोइंग टू डिस्कस दोस थिंग्स। So I would like to request all of you to please join tomorrow and day after tomorrow webinar. Those are very interesting and very useful to all of you. A very big thank to our guest speaker, Sri Dungar ji. Thank you so much, sir. You have joined us and really it was a very nice and wonderful session. And we hope कि हम कभी next में भी specific we'll discuss about only Google Sheet and Google Documents, right? We'll make a complete webinar on this topic only. Thank you so much, Shashank. I'll only request you to please बीच-बीच में आ जाया करो. It's very interesting to see. मतलब अच्छा लगता है when you are in a webinar, right? And एक interaction हो जाता है, right? And apart from that, your good inputs are very good and very useful, right? तो बड़ा useful होता है members से।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल।
तो please humble request to you, please.
नहीं, thank you.
And a big thank to our mentor guide, मतलब हमारे को आगे का रास्ता दिखाने वाले डॉक्टर सी दुर्गादास अग्रवाल जी को आपका आशीर्वाद ऐसे ही बना रहे। एंड आप सभी पार्टिसिपेंट का भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक्स अ लॉट। कल मिलते हैं। थैंक्स अ लॉट, नमस्कार।
थैंक यू डूंगा जी।